Since the start of the premium trading signals group, we have had over 11 winning trades and over a 70% win rate. So if you want to join this group and learn more about trading crypto, make sure to check out the links down in the pinned comment for both the Telegram and the Discord group, where you can find more information on how to join the signals group. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and hope you're all doing great. And welcome to this new video on Optimism, or the OP coin. Wanted to do a full overview on Optimism, so we'll take a look at the fundamentals of the network, how is it doing, but apart from that, we'll also take a look at the price, which, as you can see right now, is spiking quite a bit, which I think there are multiple drivers behind that. I mean, right now, for example, Bitcoin is fairly bullish and it's spiking quite a lot as well. Some bullish momentum in the markets. It just seems to be some early weak moves. No big fundamental catalysts behind it. I mean, you could argue that the dollar strength index is dropping down quite severely, which is true, but this is nearing some support levels as well, so we're not sure how long this will go on, which raises the question, can Optimism and can OP finally break through 3.2 and 3.15, which is the resistance level we've been we've been trying to break above for the entire month of February. Last time we tried it was the 24th, very bullish then, but then we received some bearish momentum in the entire market and we dropped down quite a lot actually. But yeah, it seems like we're trying again, right? I mean, it's fairly certain that we're going up to 3.15 and 3.25. And apart from that, and I wanted to check that out with you, we've had quite a nice development for Optimism, the blockchain, in terms of total value locked and just in general, daily transactions and daily active addresses, and that's actually continuing. We're nearing that $1 billion mark in total value locked, which is absolutely crazy. You can also see that the DAA and the daily transactions are going up, are in an uptrend, so that's bullish. But right now, if you take a look at the chains, Optimism is not close to flipping Polygon, but it's strong, all right, and that's obviously very bullish. It has solidified that 7th position. So fundamentally, Optimism is quite bullish. Right now, we'll really have to wait for any confirmation on Bitcoin. 23,900, 24,000 is still a major resistance level, so don't get too excited yet. But apart from that, I mean, as I said, the fundamentals for Optimism are great, so we could actually do something without Bitcoin. So what I think is going to happen is I think we'll move up to that level between 3.15 and 3.2. Also, technically, you can see that we had quite a fair share of bullish confirmations. After dropping down all the way Friday, we managed to break above 2.85 again, and we also managed to break above the 618 FIB of that bearish move. So enough bearish confirmations to get up to that level, but I do think for now that we'll still find resistance at that level. Now, what we would need to do afterwards is we would need to fall down to $3 and hold that for at least 2 days. That's the thing we need to do, I think. We've never been able to do that. As you can see, every time we fell down to $3, we held that for 1-2 candles, but then dropped down below. We need to hold that for at least 36 hours. If we can do that, I think we can break above 3.15 and 3.2 and get up to 3.5. But if not, we'll just continue to drop back down again. And we'll probably then afterwards drop down to this level again at 2.85, and then from there find support and see if we can test it again. But that also depends largely on the market circumstances. So there's nothing guaranteed about that. So yeah, it's all about that. And as I said, I think we're going up there. But if we cannot hold $3, as I said, we'll probably drop down to 2.85. Then if Bitcoin is above 24,000, we'll try again. And I think we have a fairly big chance of doing it then. But for example, if we lose $3 as a support and Bitcoin is doing bad, there's a pretty big chance we'll drop down all the way to 2.55. So it's quite a lot at stake right now, I think. But yeah, that's my take on Optimism and OP coin for today. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.